Evening everyone. So today topic is portal system and portal vein. Portal system and portal vein. So first, what is portal vein? So here portal vein means veins which instead of returning blood to to heart, they return blood to any other organ. Such veins are called portal veins. For example, generally the veins which return blood to the heart, either superior vena cava or inferior vena cava. But in this case, this portal vein, instead of returning blood to the heart, which return blood to the organ. Very important point is organ. Here, portal system means the vein which derived from the target organ. The vein which derived from the target organ. Such veins are called, such system is called portal system. So these veins generally start with capillaries and also end with capillaries. So here the vein which derived from the target organ are called portal vein. For example, here if the vein which derived from the liver called hepatoportal system, if which derived from the kidney, then it is called renal portal system. The vein which are derived from the target organ is called hypophysis. Hypophysis means here anterior pituitary gland. So here anterior pituitary gland. Such system is called hypophyseal portal system. So like that we have three different types of portal system. So we will discuss each type in detail. Yes. Here first type is called hepatic portal system. Sorry. Hepatic portal system. So here generally this hepatic portal system contains hepatic portal vein. Hepatic portal veins. So this hepatic portal vein which carry blood from the intestine or simply GI tract or digestive system to liver, and from liver then there is a one vein called hepatic vein transfer this blood to the heart via this hepatic vein. For example, here, if you look at here, so this is our GI tract, or digestive system, and from here, the blood is carried by the hepatic portal vein to the liver, and from liver, the blood will goes to the heart with the help of hepatic vein. So this hepatic portal vein carry blood from the intestine or GI tract or digestive system to the liver, directly to the liver, but not the blood from the intestine or digestive system goes directly to the heart. So here there is one organ which is between the heart and digestive system, that is liver. Hence this portal system is called hepatic portal system. Now coming to one more system, that is renal portal system. Yeah, here renal, second one is renal portal system. So in which renal portal system we have a portal vein, that is renal portal vein. Renal portal vein. So this renal portal vein which carry blood from various tissues, which carry blood from various tissues. Then it gives to the kidney, and from kidney through renal vein, it goes to the inferior vena cava. Here inferior vena cava nothing but it is a blood vessels of heart, or simply we can use heart. So like that, this renal portal vein which carry blood from the various tissues of the organs, and then it directly gives to the kidney. From the kidney only this blood directly goes to the heart. So here, in which kidney is the middle organism or between organism to the various tissues and heart. Hence this system is called renal portal system. So because kidney is nothing but renal. So, and then third and the most important uh, portal system is hypophyseal portal system. Third one, hypophyseal portal system. Hypophyseal portal system. Here hypophysis means anterior pituitary gland. Anterior pituitary. So here there is a vein called hypophyseal portal vein. So here hypophyseal portal vein. So this hypophyseal portal vein which carry blood from hypothalamus, and from hypothalamus the blood directly delivered to the anterior pituitary gland. Anterior pituitary gland. So here the blood from hypothalamus before directly gives to the heart, it gives to the anterior pituitary gland, or also called hypophysis. Hypophysis gland. And from this hypophysis gland or anterior pituitary, the blood goes to the heart via superior vena cava. So here from the anterior pituitary gland only the hypothalamus blood will direct goes to the heart. So here anterior pituitary is a middle organ, which is a carrier of blood from hypothalamus to the heart. So that's why, so this system is called hypophyseal portal system. And here from anterior pituitary gland, the blood will goes to the hepatic vein. Very sorry, not hepatic, hypophyseal vein. Hypophyseal vein. So here portal is a term which always comes between two organs, and vein is a term which comes between organs and heart. So for example, in hepatic portal vein, there is a hepatic portal vein is there, hepatic vein is there. So hepatic portal vein present between gastrointestinal tract and liver. Between gastrointestinal tract and liver we have hepatic portal vein, but from liver to heart we have hepatic vein. And in renal portal system, from various tissues, the blood collected by the renal portal vein to the kidney. From kidney, the blood will goes to the heart through the renal vein. Now here in hypophyseal portal system, from hypothalamus, the blood will goes through the anterior pituitary gland by hypophyseal portal vein. From anterior pituitary gland, the blood will goes to the heart through hypophyseal vein. So this is all about the different types of portal systems are there in animals. Now very important concept here, now we will discuss. So that is here hepatic portal system. Hepatic portal system. So here this hepatic portal system, so this hepatic portal systems present in all vertebrates. Very important. All vertebrates, animals like fishes, amphibians, and reptiles, and birds, and mammals. All type of vertebrates contain this type of portal system, that is hepatic portal system. So here the main target organ in hepatic portal system, the main target organ is what? Liver. Is liver. Now coming to second one, so that is renal portal system. Here renal portal system. So this renal portal systems is present or well developed, which is well developed in two types of vertebrates. They are fishes and amphibians like frog. Amphibians. So these renal portal systems are well developed in fishes and amphibians, and they are reduced form of renal portal systems are there in reptiles. In reptiles, reduced form of renal portal system. Now in birds, this renal portal system is a vestigial organ. Vestigial organ in birds or aves. And this renal portal system is completely absent in mammals. So remember, renal portal system is absent in mammals. Absent in mammals. So this is all about the renal portal system. Now coming to most important and one more, so that is hypophyseal portal system. Third one, hypophyseal portal system. So this hypophyseal portal systems like hepatic portal system, because these hypophyseal portal systems present in all vertebrates, which is present in all vertebrates like fish, amphibians, and reptiles, and birds and mammals. And here the target organ is hypophysis. Hypophysis. Here hypophysis nothing but anterior pituitary gland. Hence the name came as a hypophyseal portal system. Here in renal portal system, the target organ is kidney. Target organ is kidney. Hence the name came as a renal portal system. But in hepatic portal system, the target organ is liver. Hence the name is hepatic portal system. So this is all about the different types of portal system and different types of portal veins. So this is all about the entire concept of the portal system and portal veins. So all right, so this is the time for self test. So here I have provided 3 MCQs from this topic. So on the screen. Yeah. So this is the first MCQs, multi-statement questions. So here consider the following statement regarding the hepatic portal system. Here asking about hepatic portal system. Hepatic means it is related to the liver in human. So here there are 3 options are there. So which of the statement given above are correct? So one more MCQs. Yeah, here MCQs 2. So consider the following statement regarding the diverse portal system found in vertebrates. So just now we discussed there are 3 different types of portal systems are found in vertebrates. So among that, so here there are 3 options are there. One is asking about hypophyseal portal system, second option renal portal system, and third frogs possess. So which of the statement given above are correct? And one more last MCQs. Yeah, here we have. Yeah. Consider the following statement regarding the evolutionary distribution of renal portal system. Here asking about renal. Renal means it is related to the kidney across the different vertebrate classes. So all these are the various 3 different types of MCQs. They are highly important, and these all are NCERT based MCQs. So by this we have completed each and every concept related to the portal system and portal veins. If you like my videos, please share and subscribe these videos. And uh, so this is all about the thank you, and have a nice day.